Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks and happy new year. A little bit of a shout out to my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. I love you all, and even for those after watching this video you're going to subscribe, thanks for subscribing and you're welcome to the family. Okay, happy new year, and I wish you guys smooth running of the year, but that's not the topic for today's video. Let's get in straight to this video. But before I click off, I want to show you guys something. Now, if you check in this part of this side, and let me mark it. Okay, so if you look in this part, if you're not seeing it well, let me read it out. They say 198 total tasks for you to perform. Now let me say that each of those, majorly those tasks, they do pay 100 naira, and some of these tasks they do pay 15 naira, and they are easy tasks just to post on, maybe on your status, post on Facebook, post on Instagram, post on Twitter, anyone you want to choose, you post. Now let me say that out of these 198, 100 persons or 100 of these tasks are going to pay 138 of these 130 of these tasks are going to pay 100 naira. That is how much are you going to make? That's 100 naira times 430. That's you're making 13,000 naira in this platform called Hawkit in Nigeria. And this is actually what people are actually doing, but majorly I'm not working with this platform, but I just decided to share it with you guys. For most of you guys, I'll be taking it serious. You can make big money out of here, but I'm not taking this platform serious because I have other side hustles that are paying more better, which I'm going to share with you guys in the near future coming. So you can just register on this platform. To register on this platform, just leave a comment, just leave a comment, and I'm going to reply you on the process of how to register on this platform. Now, the tasks, some of them are 100 naira, some of them are 35 naira, some of them are 15 naira. Now, once you register on this platform, this is actually what you're going to see. Now, once you click on that end button down below, this is actually what you're going to be seeing. Now, for anybody referring to Metaverse, into Hawkit, you're going to get 500 naira instantly paid to your wallet, which you can now withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is about 400 naira. Now, either you want to choose to start earning with the referring part, or you can choose to start earning with the posting on social media, which I already told you guys. And I have about 298 tasks remaining to show you guys I'm actually lazy on this platform. Unless I could have do all the tasks I need for some money for myself, but I'm a very busy person. So for most of you guys that will be joining this is actually a very best platform, very good platform. I've been making videos about this platform for years right now. So all what you just have is that you need to have about 1,000 followers in any of your social media accounts. If it's Facebook, you need to have 1,000 followers. If it's Instagram, 1,000 followers. If it's Twitter or TikTok, you need to have 1,000 followers. So that's the disclaimer. So if you don't have up to 1,000 followers in those of your social media page, you can't make money from this platform. As you can see right now, there's 100 naira per post, 100 naira per post, and 100 naira per post. So if you have up to 1,000 followers, this is a very good platform that you can come. I've already made withdrawals. Let me go show you guys one of my withdrawals I just made recently on this particular platform. Okay, let me try if I can show you guys where's the notification. Okay, I'm going to show you guys live and direct to show you that this platform is actually working. So I made a withdrawal of about 900 and something. I think as you guys are seeing it right there, I made your withdrawal amount of 915 has been sent into your provided bank account. Thank you for choosing Hawkit, to show you guys that this platform is actually working. So if you want to register on it, just leave a comment and I'm going to bring you over to here when you're going to register. And to register is actually 1,000 naira. Only 1,000 naira, you will join this platform and also earn money for yourself.